In this tutorial, we will learn how to set up our profile in RAMP, the Robotics and Automation Marketplace. To register, we have to click the Sign In and Register button at the top right of the page. To create a new account, click the Register link. We will need to fill in the required fields and a secure password, and then click the Register button. To use RAMP features in its full extent, like finding and collaborating with partners, we need to have an organization profile. To create a new organization profile, we need to go to My RAMP and select My Organizations. By clicking the Create New Organization button, a step-by-step wizard will help us in creating a new organization in RAMP. While not all fields are required, it's a good idea to fill in as much information as possible to showcase your expertise and allow customers and partners to find you. If you do not want the organization profile to be shown on the RAMP catalog, you can make the profile private. At the second step of creating your organization, you can define the type of your organization and if you are a manufacturing company, a service provider, or both. If you are a manufacturer, you can also specify your industry. If you are a service provider, you can define what kinds of services you provide to manufacturers and which industries you cover and have experience in. A user may be a member of many organizations in RAMP. At the same time, multiple users can be a member in one organization. The first user that creates the organization is automatically assigned as the organization's profile administrator. By going to My RAMP, My Organizations, and clicking the Members Management on the respective organization, the administrator can change the permissions of the different organization members. To add a new member, we need to go to the Invitations tab and click the Add Member button. By filling the email, the new member will directly become an organization member if they are already a registered RAMP user. Otherwise, they will receive an email invitation. On the other way around, if you want to apply to join an existing organization in RAMP, you need to click the Join Existing Organization button in My Organizations. You will then need to find the existing organization in the RAMP catalog and ask to join via the Collaborate button. The organization's administrator will then need to approve the new membership. Service providers and component developers can add their available solutions in RAMP. To do so, click the Components button of the respective organization. To add a new component, click the New Component button. A step-by-step wizard will help us to create our new component page. While all fields are not required, filling as much information as possible will help your customers to better understand your offering and your expertise. You can optionally add links to a video or even a live demo of your component. In the third step, you have to specify the license of your component. If it is available for download, you can add links to an executable, source code, or Docker image. You can leave empty if you do not want to allow free downloads. In the next step, you can specify the type of the component and include technical information and link to documentation. In the last step, you can give more details on how your component supports workers and what kinds of tasks it is concerned out of a predefined list. Additional comment can be added for each selection.